Hey, what's up? This is K Hayes for After Effects tutorial channel and welcome to my another very exciting tutorial. How to create a 3D garden animated grass in After Effects by Element 3D. Let's start. First, create a new project and create a new composition. Select HD and name it here 3D garden. Then select the duration 5 seconds, press OK and set to fit and Ctrl R, create a ruler. So start your work. First right click, create a new solid, name here 3D grass, press enter and go to effects, Video Copilot, Element 3D. You can search Element 3D plugin into effects and presets. So go to scene setup. So after this there is a panel of Element 3D plugin and go to starter pack physical, select, and there is grass patch. Select, set the grass patch to group 1. So select the stone, here is, set the stone group 2. Good. So now time to press OK and create a new camera. Select the camera 20mm and press OK. Go to 3D grass. So go to group 1, particles, replicator, set plan. Set the grass 100 and set the scale 75. Here is the camera control. So the 85 is enough. So set the stone. Close the group 1. So before closing the group 1, don't forget, let's animate the grass. But how? Go to particle look, go to deform, go to bend. Enable the bend and set here 1.5 to go to region and stopwatch, go to 5 seconds, set 5 time duration. Here is the grass animation. So close and close the group 1, go to group 2. So go to particle replicator, set the stone position, where? There, and go to particle look, set the stone size. Great. A little bit, move up, little bit. Good. So now time to create the tree. Before creating the tree, don't forget save the project 1. So go back to scene setup, then go to import marble tree. Okay, move it down 3 and set the alignment point to bottom, turn on the actual size and go to none 1, select the diffuse, select the trunk texture. Here is, press OK, change the glass size to 0 and now go to marble leaf PNG, go to texture, select the leaf PNG, press OK, select that and go to where there is the alpha threshold 0.1. Need more threshold like this. right click, copy and paste. This one looking good, but the three triangles texture have some problems. Change to 0 and a little bit dark. So now press OK. Here is how to remove this glow shyness. So continue the tutorial, then we check after rendering the final result. Set the tree position near of the stone to hair. Hairs. Go to particle look, down the size like this, and set the camera from this point of view. So go to left view. Where is the camera? Select the camera, set the camera point view, good. Go back to active camera 1. Need more, a little bit down from this point of view. And now time to import the sky. Here is the sky. Move it down of the layers and press S, little bit scale up the size. So after this, create another new solid, press OK, go to effects, universe, no light factory. The recording is continue. Go back to choose a flare and go to select the sunset and change the mode at. Here it is. So now press Ctrl, scale down the sun size. Set the sun size center point of the image sun. Here it is. You can change the sun like this. Press Ctrl. Let's animate the camera. Right click, create a new null object for the camera animation. Don't forget, you can make scatter of the trees. Plan. Here is the scale of trees like this, and here is the random size of trees. The some trees are bigger, the some trees are smaller. So press Ctrl. Here it is. A little bit down like this. Okay, now time to animate the camera. Here is the camera parent web to null object. Select the null object, create effect of separate X, Y, Z position, top of the null object, and go to second one. Ctrl S, save first. So go to second 4. Here is the camera movement and Y. Turn on the 3D. Here is the 3D. Press Ctrl. Slowly move here, and go to second 5. Slowly move up here. Good. Press U for the keyframes. Select all the keyframes. Right click, easies. Select the end keyframes, easies. And now select all, close the layers and turn on the motion blur. Fit. Select the sun effect. Make animation for the sun from this point view, from this point. Here is stopwatch, the angle. Good. Okay, dear friends, my subscribers, let's check the result. Render. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget like, subscribe the channel for the most important and very exciting tutorials. See you next time. Bye.